Guys, I hope you've been doing well. It's Liz Wanja. Welcome back to my channel, my subscribers. Hi, my loves. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Keep watching my content. I love you so much, new subscribers. If this is the first time you're watching me, welcome to this family. Feel at home and remember to subscribe, like, share, and comment to my videos. Today, I want us to do a fridge cleaning because I want to do some grocery restock, and before I do that restock I want to deep clean the fridge so that even if that restock that will take maybe like 2 or 3 months, the fridge will be because it's been a while since I last cleaned it deeply. So let's do this together. Hope you enjoy this and hope you try it. Will inspire you and you try it at your place. So this is my fridge. This is the freezer part. I have a part. We have some cereal, vegetables, and this is the fridge part. It's kind of empty. That's why I want to do this talk. And now I want to clean parts. We will start by removing these things from the fridge so that we leave it empty. I will use a basin. Let's start with that. So this basin is already full. Guys, I'm going to use this liquid detergent to clean inside. Then I'll use some Omo to clean the outer part. And I'll add warm water. I'm gonna use this sponge that I usually wash utensils with. I'll use this sponge. I usually use them to clean utensils. I add my little soap. That is enough. I have warm water. This one will help clean. I hope you guys can see. There is no much space here, but I hope you will get the content. I've added clean water and I'll use this sponge to rinse. So it's already clean, so I'll rinse as I dry with this sponge. This water is already dirty. Let me put clean water. We rinse it once more to make sure it is clean. See, this water is not dirty. It's now clean. But I think I still need to dry it. Let me use another dry piece of water. I also use it to dry. I'm done with the freezer part. And it looks so clean. This deep clean is necessary at least once every month. Once every month. Because we store food here, good so that you will not eat junk. And also the fridge will not have bad odors. So now we go to the fridge part. Now we clean the fridge part. I don't know whether you know where my car is. You just place them. I don't know. Yeah, I usually put leftovers that we're gonna eat maybe in 2 days or 3 days. And now these vegetables. We remove this dividers. Could be you see, it was dirty. These ones I'll clean them at the sink. We do just like we did in the freezer part. We start with cleaning with this. I've used liquid soap, this sponge, and the water is warm. We do clean it. It's very dirty. Look at this. Let's go ahead and rinse it. with our piece of cloth and clean water. This one is just cold water. This water is already dirty. Let me put clean water and continue rinsing until it's clean. I've put clean water, continue rinsing. You see, having food in your fridge should not stop you from cleaning it. You just remove them, you put them in a basin, you clean the fridge, then you return them.
I'm not doing anything. So you're watching Dino.
Let's dry it up
Dino
with
play, Dino play.
cloth. It's very clean now. Just the outside part. Let me first give you a close up of how it looks after cleaning it. outside part, and then we will go to the sink and clean the shelves. Yep, and first close it.
Yes.
Let me add some oil. That is enough. I can't show you here, guys, because of the space. The outside is not too dirty because I always wipe when I'm dusting the house. So it's just we can go.
Dusty. And I'm cleaning.
Like just clean. It's so satisfying. So clean. Let's go and clean the shelves now. vegetables are clean. Let's now arrange them in the fridge so that we can return our food so it won't spoil. Guys, I'm from the market. I want us to see what I bought from the market together. Don't know whether they will fall. I got bananas. I didn't buy too many bananas because we are not fan of bananas. So here I bought these ones. They were 10 shillings each. So these are 50 shillings. I also bought tomatoes. This ones I bought at 150. Each was going for 5 shillings. They are good. I also bought this lemon, ginger and garlic. You remember I decided I'll be taking lemon water because I don't want that cold that comes and goes every other time. And I remember during COVID, we used to take a lot of lemon water, and that time you couldn't find someone with a cold. It was very rare. So I want to get used to taking lemon water every other time to do away with that cold. These ones were going for 20 each. Then these ones were 5 shillings and 10 shillings. So all these I bought at 100 bob. And they will take me maybe 3 days. Then I also bought oranges. These ones were going for 10 shillings. So I bought at 100 bob. There are 10 pieces. My kids love oranges so much. That's why I bought a lot of them. These ones will take us at least a week. I also needed onions, so I bought these ones. They were going for 5 shillings each. I bought for, was it 80 shillings? Yes, these ones are 80 bob. 80 bob. Then here I have sweet potatoes. These ones we're gonna take them for breakfast, at least to break from the monotony of bread every day, and they are healthy. Here I also bought. I was not supposed to buy this, but now I happened to pass near Farmer's Choice. These are smokies, 10 pieces, 10 pieces, so 20 pieces. I happened to pass near Farmer's Choice, and there they usually sell at a very good price. So I decided, why not buy? I'll save. So those ones we will also be taking them for breakfast. I also bought sausages. These ones are also 20 pieces. I guess these ones were 690, and these ones I bought at 220 each. So these ones are 400, and these ones are let's say close to 700, 690, 25 bob. Mm. My kids love them, so I know they will also be happy to see I bought this. They are wet because they were from the freezer. That's why I'm putting them. But I can just put them here. I'll later put in the fridge. And now we have this washing powder. This is for washing my clothes. I bought this toss. I've never used it, but I saw someone recommend it. I hope it will be good. I hope it will favor me. I'll give you a review once I've already used it. Yep. And lastly, we have this pampers for my baby. I bought soft care, 56 pieces. They were large. These ones can take us like 3 weeks. Yeah. These ones can take us 3 weeks or so. So that's all. I didn't buy a lot of things. I'm on budget. So I only bought the things that we didn't have totally, and the things that I know we need so much. Yep. Let me give you a close up of this. So that is it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for supporting me. Continue liking, continue subscribing, continue sharing my content. I love you so much. And you guys are just amazing. It's on the other video that we said you get me to 100 subscribers, and just before I could post another video, we were already at 100 plus. Thank you so much. Continue supporting me, continue subscribing. We want to get to 500 subscribers. Let's set a bigger goal. 500 subscribers, here we come. Thank you so much. I love you guys. I'll talk to you later. Bye bye for now.